Welcome back. Today we're going to continue talking about volume. So in your packet, page 26, finding icy volume, you will continue to count up those cubic foot blocks that they use to build these shapes to say what the volume is of those different shapes. Your digital practice for today, however, is going to have you actually calculating volume based on the formula for a rectangular prism. So the formula for a rectangular prism is pretty straightforward. What you need to do is to find the volume is to take the length, multiply it by the width, and multiply it by the height. So you can take the three dimensions, because a rectangular prism is going to have three consistent dimensions, and multiply them together. If you think about it, you're basically finding the area of one side, and then saying how many of those you can stack up for the width, or for the height, or for the length, whichever way you want to go. So in this shape, I know it's 3 feet long, 1 foot high, and 1 foot wide going back. So I would just do 3 times 1 times 1, and that would be 3. When I'm finding volume, it's always the units that I'm working with. So in this case, feet. But I'm not measuring a linear foot. I'm not measuring in one direction. I'm not measuring a square foot. I'm not measuring in two directions. I'm measuring a cubic foot. So I'm basically saying how many little 1 foot cubes could I fit into this box. So it's going to be feet to the third power, or feet cubed. In my second example down here, same thing, 6 inches times 3 inches, times 4 inches. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 4 is going to get me to 72. 72 inches. And remember, I'm talking about how many little cubes, just like you've been doing in your packet, how many cubes make that shape. So it would be inches cubed. So today you have the practice in your packet, physically counting up how many cubes there are. And then also your digital practice is figuring out volumes of rectangular prisms, just like we did here, knowing that all of our units are always going to be units cubed, because we're thinking about how many little cubes fit within that shape. Good luck.